This is Tom. I have survived Tom, he has survived me.
No truer words.
No truer words. And Tom has never built in this kind of clay before, right? Never built hollow before, because
No.
it is indeed hollow, or at least stuffed with some paper and other mystery ingredients. And you work in iron, right?
I'm a metal worker, yes. So I do metal sculpture. I also am an owner of the gallery in Williams. And I came here to learn to build in paper clay. And I'm quite impressed with what Mary can take somebody who has no idea what they're doing and create this goat
Aren't you sweet?
with the raven.
Aren't you sweet? Turn it, because we had fun with the ears and the beard. I think the beard is one of the favorite things. Keep going.
I still have some work to do.
Yeah, and the raven, I showed him how to pull a hollow. I'm trying to get the profile. I showed him how to pull, and then the basic form over paper, basically in a straw, right?
That's correct.
And then he has been adding the feathers and the details and making it something more than just a hollow hunk of clay, which is how it started. Keep on going all the way around. And we're using Merry Arttoones, which is perfectly easy to use, correct?
Yes,
Uh-huh.
it is.
Now that I've perfected it over 12 years. Yeah. And it's just a great job. I'm really proud of you. Really am. Proud
Thank
of
you.
everybody. Proud of, I know on day 2 you thought, what? Day 2 you're like,
It was not gonna happen.
not
but
gonna happen. Day 2 is always, it's not
Day
gonna
3
happen.
was a aha day.
Time. Also known as Euphoria Day. And I remember Farrah was pretty euphoric there on day 2. And she's working right now. Let me see if I can show on the claws of the fox. All right? Okay. Linda girl, you're up.